Generating effective ads for SaaS businesses can be a challenge, but AdCreative AI simplifies the entire process by using cutting-edge AI technology to create high-converting ad creatives in minutes. If you're looking to boost your SaaS business with targeted and optimized ads, this tool is a game changer. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to generate ads that perform well, and I'll also reveal an exclusive offer for a free trial of AdCreative AI at the end of this video. AdCreative AI uses AI to automatically generate creative ad designs, from images to headlines and call to action buttons. What makes it stand out is that it's specifically designed to help businesses like yours create ads that resonate with the right audience. For SaaS businesses, this is crucial because your ads need to clearly communicate the value of your software while capturing attention quickly. To start using AdCreative AI, you simply sign up, input your business information, and provide some details about your target audience. The AI then analyzes these inputs, draws from a massive database of successful ad creatives, and generates ad variations. These are designed to perform well across multiple platforms, whether you're advertising on Facebook, Instagram, or Google Ads. What's even better is that it uses AI to test these creatives, automatically optimizing for the highest conversion rates, so you don't have to waste time manually adjusting every single detail. Once the AI generates the ads, you get a dashboard with performance analytics to see which creatives are getting the most engagement and conversions. This data helps you understand what's working, allowing you to tweak your future campaigns accordingly. AdCreative AI also integrates seamlessly with your ad platforms, making it easy to launch campaigns directly from the software. For SaaS businesses, this tool is especially beneficial because it can handle high levels of ad personalization. AdCreative AI allows you to create multiple ad variations that speak to different pain points your potential customers might have. Whether your SaaS solution is aimed at streamlining workflows or increasing team collaboration, the AI will craft creatives that highlight these unique selling points. This level of customization saves you time and effort while also ensuring that you can run campaigns with confidence. Now, why should you care? With AdCreative AI, you'll no longer need to rely on expensive designers or manually create hundreds of different ads. This tool can drastically speed up your ad creation process, making it easier for you to focus on what matters, scaling your SaaS business. Plus, AdCreative AI continuously learns from your ad performance and adapts, so you'll always have optimized ads running in the background. I want to give you a chance to try this powerful tool for free. Check out the link below for an exclusive bonus that'll give you a free extended trial of AdCreative AI. This is a limited time offer that can save you a lot of money while giving you the opportunity to see firsthand how effective this software can be for your SaaS business. In summary, AdCreative AI is the perfect tool for SaaS businesses looking to improve their ad performance. It takes the guesswork out of ad creation by using AI to generate high-converting creatives, optimize for better results, and integrate seamlessly with your advertising platforms. Make sure to grab your exclusive free trial using the link below and start creating ads that convert today.